Good morning, everyone. In order to inspire me today, I just opened Pinterest this morning and I went on to my home page. I just clicked the home button, right? It gives me things to think about. I could go to more ideas for Zentangle patterns, but this one caught my eye, this little video that's popped up here. And I thought, what the heck? Let's do that. It just was the first thing that popped up on my feed. Easy, you can see it there. And we're just going to do something like that and be inspired by the first thing that comes to mind. Happy March, everybody. You guys are going to see this on the 1st of March. So happy 1st of March. And on the day that you see this, my son should be coming home for a visit because this upcoming weekend, the first weekend of March, celebrates my husband and I's 39th wedding anniversary. I'm going to do this on black. And instead of doing black and white like they were doing, I think I'm going to use my neons. And we're just going to make neon blobs and see what happens with that, right? Okay. So yeah, 39 years married this coming up weekend. So I don't think we're doing anything super special. Excuse me, I needed a drink. I don't think we're doing anything super special, but my son is coming home, so I'm excited for that. Sure, we'll go out to dinner or something. Now, next year, 2024, next year at this time, is it at this time or is it, well, it's a little bit later than that, but we are going to go do a special thing for our 40th anniversary, and I'm sure you guys, if you know me, you know exactly what I'm going to say. Yes, we are. We are going to go on a cruise. We're going to go on a bucket list cruise of a long one. We're going to do the Panama Canal. I am very excited about that. I think I want to cover in the middle of this. I'm just kind of playing this one by ear here. Super simple, right? Nothing that causes stress or tension, which is the exact reason we would do this kind of art, right? Just to have fun, just to play. bought some new Poscas. Did I bring them out here? Oh, I did. I bought some new Poscas. I got myself the set of pastel colored Poscas. How pretty those are. Why did I bring that up? I don't know. Because I probably, when I'm done here, I'm probably going to go in with a Posca around the edges, like they did their black in between on that white paper. Probably going to do something in between also, but maybe one of the Posca colors. Hey guys, we're almost up to that 30,000. Almost. We're getting so close. So if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button. You don't have to hit the bell icon, as a matter of fact. Don't. Unless you want YouTube to really bug you, because the couple of creators that I have the bell icon on for, yeah, anytime they post anything on YouTube, that's a shorts, a long form video, a community post, anything, I get a notification, and I really only want to see their long form videos. So I've been going around and turning off the bell icon because I can find them on my feed. But if we get to that 30,000, last I checked, we were at 29,128. I have no illusions that I'll ever hit that 100,000. But 30,000, we can do our own little party. And I'm going to give away some of my art. So if you want a chance to win this piece of art or any of my others, I'm not sure what I'm going to be giving away, but I'll give away something. We'll have a big giveaway. Last time I did a giveaway, I think I did 10 different subscribers got my art. I think that's what it was. I think it was 10. I know postage has gone up, but luckily for me, my art fits in an envelope, so I only have to pay for an envelope postage, not for a parcel. And yes, I will let my thing be open to international. So if you are outside the United States, that's okay. I will keep it open to international. I need a paper towel. Where's my paper towel? Oh, I don't have a paper towel next to it. Okay. Wipe it on that piece of paper, scrap paper. Sometimes the gel pens can get a little globby. Some feels like it's not working. Why are you not working? You have plenty of ink. I can see your ink. There you go. I don't know why it wasn't working. have much to say today, do I? I like this. I like how this is coming out. Let's see. Let's do blue over here. The couple weeks ago when I posted the video about, and I was talking about all the management changes at my place of employment, a lot of people say, well, why don't you become manager? My answer to that is heck no. I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy. No way, no how. They could not pay me enough. The difference in, because I've been there forever, I'm already at top pay for my position, so the difference between what I'm making now and the managerial position is really not that much if you take into consideration all the hours that the managers have to work. Yeah, the hourly wage isn't that much different, and that's just not worth it. Just not worth it. Let's do a green one here. Oh, by the way, if you're not already following me over on either Instagram or Facebook, it's just draw Tangles at both places. Draw Tangles with Dawn at both places. You'll get sneak peeks over on Instagram and Facebook of upcoming videos. You'll know when I was working because, like, when I'm finished with this, I'll finish my video, I will take a picture of it, and I'll post it on Instagram. So you'll know the days that I'm working based on what day I post on Instagram. That's going to be a yellow with a green and a green. I don't want that. Let's do pink. Let's do pink. Yeah. But you'll get sneak peeks. A lot of people will, their comment on my Facebook or my Instagram post is, well, I hope we get a video. Well, all that I post on both those places are upcoming videos. It just kind of depends on how far ahead I am as to how long it'll be between the time I post over there and the time you actually see it. I think I want, what color do I want in this corner? I want another blue here. And maybe another purple, pink. I don't know. Let's do a little blue one here in this space. Just a little one. I did not test to see if my microphones were working. I hope they are. I mean, they're both on. But I did not check to make sure they were plugged in properly. That would be sad if I have no voice. Oh well, when I'm done here, I will test it and see if they were working or if I'm going to be sad. Okay. If you see this with a voiceover, then you know I goofed. let's do the yellow. Is this any named pattern? No, it's not. Is it something anybody could do? Yes. Do you have to have pens? No. You could just do this doodling on paper with a pencil. As long as you have a mark making tool, you can do this. That's cool. I like that. Now, the question I have is, do I want to ruin it with a Posca in between? Or do I want to just leave it like that? I'm actually quite pleased with how that looks. I think I want a little bit more in the corner here. Maybe we'll do another orange. Just a little one here in the corner. I'm happy with that. I don't know that I want to. I was going to come back in and do something bold. I was going to maybe grab one of these thick pastel Poscas and come in here and do the in between, but I don't think I want to. I think I like it just like that. So we'll save our Poscas for another day. Let's sign this guy. Let's sign it over here. All right, I think I'm done. This was easy and super fun and colorful and just makes me happy. Happy March, everybody. Happy spring. Spring is coming soon, right? According to the calendar, we just have 2 more weeks and we can change our clocks back, thank goodness. And I don't know when. Vernal equinox, there it is. The 20th. So we have a couple more weeks before spring officially begins, but spring should be springing, hopefully. I like spring. I like spring. I like fall. I prefer winter over summer. Summer is my least favorite, just temperature-wise. At least here, where I live, where it can get over 100 degrees for multiple days in a row. So, anyways, I will see you on the next video. I'm just rambling along at this point. You guys have a great day, and we'll figure out what we're going to do next. I don't know what it is. I have no idea. I have no plan. I just came out here to draw because I had a free hour or two. So here I am. Anyways, you guys have a great day. And let me go check and see if you actually heard me on this video. Bye-bye.